Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if Canva app not working at such type of error message. You are receiving 500 server error. Then here are the fixes. First, click on 3 horizontal dot against top left corner and choose help and choose troubleshoot. Here are you sure the action will sign out of your account and reset the app? So choose yes. And after that, check whether your Canva app is working or not. Log in with your credential. And once Canva app launched, check whether your 500 server error is resolved or not. You can see the error is still receiving. So go through the next fixes. Simply right click on a start button. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here in the settings from the left side, go to app settings. Thereafter go to installed apps from the right side and here look for Canva app. And click on 3 horizontal dot against Canva app and choose uninstall. Finally choose uninstall and uninstall Canva app and reinstall the same through Microsoft Store. Go to Microsoft Store and launch library or open Microsoft Store and here look for Canva app and reinstall Canva app in your system. Click on install and let the window complete the installation process of your Canva app. Now launch Canva app and you can see your Canva app is working now. Choose any project and you can see your Canva app is working properly now. That's all.